Welcome to CAMS Business Mobile Inspection Tool. In this quick start guide, we'll walk you through the key steps to get started. For more detailed tutorials, check the links in the description. To begin, download the CAMS Business app from the App Store or Google Play. The links are available in the description. You can also scan the QR codes on the screen to download the app instantly. Once installed, open the app and log in using your credentials or single sign-on if enabled. Next, open the left side menu. If you have access to multiple organizations, select the correct one from the list. Then choose the module you'll be working with, such as buildings, bridges, or roads. To start your inspection, select the highest level in the hierarchy, usually a location or site. The hierarchy expands step by step, allowing you to drill down to specific assets. If you try to select a lower level without first selecting a higher level, the system will display an error. If you reach the lowest level without downloading the assets, a warning will prompt you to go back and download them. Once assets are downloaded, select an asset from the list to start an inspection. You can use the filter option at the top to narrow down the list, or tap the search icon to find an asset by name or ID. When you tap on any assets to open the inspection page, you'll see collapsible sections and tabs. These help you navigate different areas of the inspection. Some fields are visible by default, while others are in the More section. These fields and locations are set by the admin and can be adjusted based on your requirement. Complete the inspection by filling out the required fields, including drop-downs, quantity fields, text input, and geolocation capture. If needed, you can expand the collapsible sections to enter additional details. If the asset you need isn't listed, tap the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. You can search for an asset by name or use the hierarchy selection to filter assets by category. When you have found the correct asset, you can click the plus icon on the assets to add that asset to the location. The count shows the line items of the assets you have added. Items that are added are in black text. Use the camera icon to capture photos to document defects or conditions. You can take multiple photos and scroll through them using the gallery view. Once the inspection for a section, such as a room or a building, is complete, tap the Complete button. This commits the data to the admin and syncs automatically when you're online. The Complete button is found in the primary location hierarchy page. Once your inspection is submitted, you're done. Thank you for using CAMS Business. Explore our advanced tutorials to learn more about additional features.